Hi everyone, are you looking to create a portfolio website but you don't know how? You are in the right place. In this video, we will create a modern portfolio website in just minutes with Hostinger AI. No prior experience or coding knowledge is required. You just need to know a little bit English.
Oh, really?
And this is the website we will build. Have a look, everything looks great. There are a lot of content and there are different pages and all AI creates. So let me tell you one thing. This tutorial is divided into 3 parts. First part is hosting and domain setup. Second part, designing the website, and third part, customizing the website. If you already have a Hostinger account, you can skip the part 1. Otherwise, please follow the steps one by one to stay focused. Now go to the first link in the video description. Go to hosting and choose web hosting. Scroll down a little bit. You can choose a hosting plan according to your need. Except single plan, all other plans provide you with a free domain for the first year. Choose the premium plan if you're a complete beginner. If you're so serious about building websites, go with the business plan or the cloud startup. All the plans are provided with the highest discount. Keep in mind that all the plans have AI website builder. I choose business plan and click on add to cart. Here are the 4 different periods. You can choose 12 months or more, it's up to you. But the bigger one saves more significant money because the discount applies to the entire period. Only choose a 1-month plan if you have a domain because a free domain is unavailable in the monthly plan. Click to continue. In this section they ask you for your personal information like first name, last name, and country. All is optional and you can skip at the country. You have to choose your country and make sure you have to enter your email address at the bottom right below. If you're registering on behalf of a company, go there and add your company details. In this section, you need to complete the payment for your hosting. You will have different options to pay, but I use PayPal credit card for it. I enter the credit card details here and click on submit secure payment. You may or may not see this confirmation page, it depends on your bank account, but my PayPal credit card requires it to approve the transaction by my side, so I did it. And here is the crucial part. You must set a strong password for your hosting account, then click continue. Well done. The account is successfully created. Go to your email address and verify it. It's time to claim our free domain. Click the Hostinger logo at the top, click on the claim domain, type your domain here and check availability. Choose the .com extension so it is very popular and trusted. If it is not available, then you can go with other extensions. Superb! It's available to purchase. Click on the claim domain. It is the domain registration section. Choose your person or a company. Then select your company or person. Go to the next step. Enter your contact details, which is very important to verify your domain. Add your actual and correct contact details after you fill in all the required fields. Click on finish registration. Then click on the register. Now go to your email address again and verify your contact information. Click on the link in the email you received. Oh, it's done. It was a very heavy work. Let's have a bit of coffee to boost our brain. Now we have created our hosting account and got our free domain. It's time to build our website. Go to websites. Click on the create or migrate a website. Start now. Click on select, create a new website. Select Hostinger Builder, choose your domain and select. Click on start creating and here write your brand name. Choose your website type and I choose the portfolio. Now let's give a simple description of our website. And then click on create a website. Wait for a few seconds. Wow, we built our website in seconds. Now let's look at our website design. Everything looks perfect. Click on full edit mode. And also remember, we can customize or edit any part of our website with Hostinger Website Builder. But we don't go deep into customizing the website in this video. To edit any headline or text content, click on the content and edit the text. We can even change a small part of any text or content on the website. For example, to change the word design, select the text by holding the mouse's left button, then choose your favorite color. Finally, it's time for our website to go live. Click on the Go Live. Great. If you see the site's favicon empty on the tab bar, it's time to set an icon for this. Go to Website Settings, General Settings, click on favicon, replace the image, upload files, and choose your logo. Select a logo and save changes. Now update the website. That's awesome. At the end, let's also check the form. Fill out the form and submit it. To check form submissions, go to Analytics and go to Form Submissions. It also shows how many forms have been submitted. Now click on View List. Yeah, great. The submissions are successfully stored. Let's review other pages, like the portfolio and contact page. They also have a perfect design. We can even check if our website is mobile responsive. Yeah, it's completely responsive for any type of smartphone. Everything is working perfectly. That was it for this video tutorial. If you enjoyed it, you can give a like and leave a comment on this video so it cracks the YouTube algorithm. I hope to see you in the next video tutorials, and bye. Wait, I forgot to subscribe to Coding Upgrade for more video tutorials like this.